This is Tess with ROE Dental Lab, and I'm here today to talk with you about what exactly are digital dentures, what goes into the process, fabrication, materials, what can any limitations be, if any, and answer some questions that really demystify digital dentures and the process that goes into them. I feel like the most important question I get asked is, if I'm analog, can I fabricate digital dentures? And our answer is absolutely. Through our CAD/CAM software, all of the analog records go into that, so when we're designing the case, our designers really don't even know where the data came from as far as if it was analog or digital prior. It's all imported just the same and designed the same. From there, we 3D print a final denture for you in just 2 visits, bite block being the first, final denture being the second. When that denture comes back to you in your office, similar to a conventional denture, there's a denture base and teeth, but the hidden gem there really is when we design these digital dentures, the bases are scalloped and the teeth are luted to the base with a liquid form of the acrylic. And what that means for you is no single teeth falling out, popping out, chipping. All the teeth are strengthened and bonded together on one horseshoe-shaped platform that's luted to the denture. Another benefit to digital dentures is we can convert them to implant-supported, lab, soft, or hard reline, and we can also duplicate them. A huge amenity to digital dentures, I feel, is duplication. Many times we have a patient come to us with a denture that they love the fit or they love the wear and tear on the teeth, and even with conventional methods like flasking or different duplication techniques, we can never seem to get that denture right. And with digital dentures, we can do that process for you and make it seamless, accurate, and feel like the old denture that they know and love. If you'd like to learn more about our digital denture process, we have a great book online that delves into all the wheels and facets when it comes to materials, processes, and details that you need to know as a clinician when it comes to fabricating a digital denture. Or if you're ready to go and you've been on the fence for a while, please give us a call and let one of our technicians walk you through how to submit your first case. If you'd like to stay in touch for the latest workflows and products, feel free to follow us online. Thank you so much for tuning in, and good luck with your first case.